If you're looking for a straightforward way to sell your digital products, you've likely considered online marketplaces. However, they really often come with their own challenges like high fees, direct competition, and really limited control over your brand. So, a way more effective long-term strategy is to actually sell directly from your own website. Now, this allows you to build a stronger brand, foster direct relationships with your customers, and really maximize your revenue. And it's way easier to set up than you might be thinking. So in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step through creating your own digital product store right inside the Hostinger website builder. And we'll also explore a really powerful new tool from Hostinger that is designed to help you grow your brand. So by the end of this video, you won't just have a store, you'll have a complete framework for your digital business. So let's get into it. So adding an online store to your Hostinger website is as easy as pressing a button. All you have to do is open up the website builder, then navigate over to the sidebar and hit the shopping cart icon. Now this automatically generates a new store page that is perfectly synced to your website. And yeah, it's that easy. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Just kidding. Not so fast. There are way more steps to go before your store can actually be up and running. But the good thing is that Website Builder has done more of the heavy lifting for you. So from this point on, getting your store ready to make sales is a matter of adding products and configuring the store so it can run smoothly while also looking great. And if you're new to Hostinger's Website Builder, I really highly recommend checking out our previous video for a more comprehensive guide. It's gonna be right here, and it's on how to build your own website using Hostinger's Website Builder. And using the AI Website Builder, you can add a store from the jump by saying you want to sell digital products in your prompt. And also, in addition to all of the benefits you already get with AI Website Builder, like the drag and drop editor, free domains, and 24/7 customer support, with our e-commerce sites, you also get zero transaction fees, AI tools to help you create and edit product details, a portfolio for marketing integrations and analytics at no extra cost, and also a really special new feature that we will be talking about at the end of this video, so make sure to stick around for that. So now that you're an expert on Website Builder and you've got your store webpage populated, it's time to start adding the actual product. So I'm gonna be doing this part with you, so let's get into it. So first, just click Add Product from the top of the store management menu, and then select Digital Product. As you can see, it's far from the only product you can sell using Hostinger, but as your business grows, you can expand into other product categories like other services, and even gift cards for your business, like a choose your own adventure for e-commerce kind of thing. So once you have that done, the next thing you're gonna want to do here is to fill in the product details. Now, these are slightly different for each product, so we'll focus on digital products for this video specifically. But guys, just also make sure to let us know if you'd like us to go way more in depth about all the different options and the tools available to help in another video, and we will definitely do that. Now, the most important product details to add here are title, image, and description, so let's add those in. So I'm kind of adding these in, but honestly, if you're at a loss for words, you can always use our really handy AI tools to help fill in the product details. And it's just with a simple prompt, or even by just uploading an image of your product, and Hostinger's AI product generator can handle filling in all of the details, and you can just edit until it sounds exactly right for you. But next step is the most crucial step, and that is uploading your digital files. Now you can upload up to 10 separate files, that total being 100 megabytes, and if you need more than 10 files or it's more than 100 megabytes, you can either choose to upload the files in a compressed .zip format or host them elsewhere and attach an external link. But whatever option you choose, your customer will receive an email that looks like this. You're seeing it on the screen right now with a link to their actual files. And all that is left to do is just add the price here. So let's get into that. So I just added in my price, and basically I'm all set here. So another thing here, you can also add option features like tracking quantity, categories, and download link expiration. Okay, now we can all take a breath. The hard part is over here. You have created your website and you have added products to your store, and you're almost ready to hit that publish button. But how are you going to get paid? And I mean, getting paid is kind of the whole point of this whole thing. So if you want to get paid, you gotta add a payment method. Now, Hostinger actually actually has over 100 different payment gateways available based on your region, and you can add a manual payment method if that works best for you. But honestly, PayPal and Stripe are the two most popular options, and if you use Stripe, you can add express checkout to your store as well, which will save customers from having to enter their billing details if they want to make a quick purchase right away. Okay, well now you are actually ready to go. Your digital products have been uploaded, product descriptions are written, and you have a way of getting paid. But there's just one more thing you need to do here. Well, I mean, you technically don't need to do this step, but I do highly recommend it. So before your website goes live, try actually making a purchase so you can see exactly how your customers will experience the shop, from navigating the website to actually downloading the product. And I also recommend sending your site to friends and family for their feedback. Now, if you wanted, you could give them a little discount for just helping you out. To do that, you can just open the discounts menu and hit add discount, and it's literally that simple. All right, so you've added the products, you've configured the payment, you've previewed the store, and now it is finally time to publish your website. And don't worry, this doesn't have to be the end if you don't want it to be. You can keep editing your e-commerce site long after it's been published. So if you get some feedback about the design or layout of your shop, you can just go right back into the website builder to keep refining your store. Okay, now since you don't really have the natural search of an online marketplace, you're going to need to put a little bit more extra effort for getting your website out there. But lucky for you, Hostinger has some built-in tools that can really help out with this, and one special new feature that can really help this out. But for a more in-depth look at how you can sell your digital products, make sure to check out our video on that topic. But the key points to remember are just leveraging your following, make sure everyone knows you have a new online shop, and spread the word on social media, also at events, and you can even create like a QR code to make shopping even faster. And also to really boost that trust and drive more sales, start gathering reviews and testimonials, and you can enable product reviews and automatically email customers to collect a review after their purchase. Or you can embed reviews from other platforms like Trustpilot or Google on your own website. And finally, just make sure you are using SEO to your advantage. If you don't know how, the AI SEO Assistant can make suggestions to boost your performance. And plus, your plan automatically comes with Google Ads integration, so you can reach customers directly from inside the website builder. And finally, there's just one more marketing tool that we are super excited to talk about. I've mentioned it many times already throughout this video, but if you've been wondering how you can keep in touch with customers, also gather reviews, and send automated emails, look no further, because there is Hostinger's Reach. And Hostinger Reach is an AI-powered email marketing tool to help reach your audience directly in their mailbox. And whether it's a product launch, a sale alert, a newsletter update, our AI tools can help you create a professional and mobile-friendly email to send to all of your subscribers. We'll also have a bunch of videos coming out on this new tool on our YouTube channel, so make sure you're subscribed. And this is just the beginning for Hostinger Reach, so keep an eye out for new features coming soon, and in the meantime, give it a try yourself and see what you can create there. Well, now you see just how easy it is to set up your own shop with Hostinger's e-commerce website builder. With one click, Website Builder creates a shop with branding elements that sync perfectly to your website. From there, it's just simple to add digital products, also write product descriptions, and set up payment gateways. So in no time at all, you'll have all the basics down and can start selling your digital products. And with the additional help from Hostinger Reach, you can be even more connected with your customers now. So let us know how you plan on using Hostinger Reach for your digital product business. And be sure to subscribe to our channel to learn a lot more about this new tool. And in the meantime, make sure to check out our other videos about selling digital products online and how you can try out Hostinger's website builder for free. But for now, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you learned something new, and I will see you in the next video.